Hakuhe mieri ena kuma murwaru wa mbere wa COVID-19 onekana guku bururi-ini, wira uria munene na muritu thirikari ikoretwo naguo ni gukinyira na rurenda rwa andu aria mahutanitie na aria monekanite na virus cia murimu uyu. Mihango ikoretwo igikinyanirio na njira ya thimu, no riu thirikari ni iruguritie uhuthiri wa mitambo mieru iria ritumiragwo ni timu 229 kuma kaunti-ini ciothe bururi-ini.
All the counties are required to have rapid response contact tracing. So far, there are 229 teams all around the country and in all counties. The National Response and Contact Tracing Team is currently conducting training for those teams on the usage of the web-based tool and data management.
Niguo kuhuthia mithiire ya timu ici, Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri ni iheanite ngari 13 kuri kaunti cia Nairobi, Mombasa, Kiambu, Kajiado, Machakos, Nyeri gatagati ka ingi. Thirikari yanireire ndumiriri ya kugacirithia uhoro uyu wa gukinyirana na aria mangikorwo na virus ici riri bururi wandikithitie ikuo cia andu aria aingi muno mathaa-ini 24 mari andu 12.
All the 12 are here in Nairobi. 3 of the cases actually died at home. And the rest of them are in the various hospitals.
O hindi o ino aria arwaru ni mongererekete na andu 189 kuma hari ithimi 1,205.
We have now 10,294 people who have now tested positive in the country. This pushes our cumulative figures to 216,242.
Aria mahonete ni makinyete 2,946 thutha wa angi 65 kurekererio kuma thibitari. Minister wa Ugima wa Mwiri ahinyiriirie ati bururi nduri urakinya handu ha kuremererwo ni kuhurana na murimu uyu wa COVID-19 na kiria kingiteithiriria kuona tutinarika hariku kuri haria turi, no mundu ithenya-ini riake gukua murigo wa guthingata mawatho maria magathike ma kwigitira murimu uyu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.